Pragmatic Guide for New Manager, Performance Management Guidebook, Syndicate 2, based on the Perks Group. Establish and convey explicit criteria, establishing quantifiable, variable, tangible, and role-specific criteria. These should be, for example, facilitate the processing of 80 invoices daily, upholding 90% quality ratings, achieving a minimal gross profit objective in sales. These criteria objectives should be created using the SMART principle. SMART: measurable, achievable, realistic, timeless. Establish and convey explicit criteria. Continued. Guidelines to follow must be well documented and be structured with regular formal and informal communication sessions on a regular basis. As new manager, be cognizant of the psychological contract between manager, organization, and employee. Monitor performance and collect empirical data. Continuous performance review and monitoring of set goals are essential. Maintain comprehensive documentation and examine root causes if there are any poor performances observed, such as insufficient training, inadequate work-related tools, personal obstacles. Conduct regular performance evaluations. These should be done in a formal setting. Metrics to measure are sales targets met or exceeded, client satisfaction ratings, employee engagement, preemptive action via informal counseling. Organization does not condone poor performance, and this should be identified promptly upon its emergence. This could be identified by means of private informal consultations with respective employee, with a representative. Engage in active listening. Provide coaching and guidance to address poor performance. Offer assistance by means of training or other resources. Clearly document the conversations and commence with Stage 1 of Personal Improvement Plan. Managers commence with the following during these counseling sessions. Inquire about personal issues, if any. Determine workload of respective employee. Create a collaborative solution. Establish a performance improvement plan. Managers with agreement from the respective employee implement a comprehensive strategy through the following. Incorporate strategy to improve, incorporating SMART principles. Milestones to reach. Support mechanisms. Explicit timelines. Managers record these advancements and permit employee contributions continuously. Employee has to be provided with reasonable timelines to improve as per Labor Relation Act Section 8. Issuance of formal warnings or advancements to Stage 2. If poor performance persists, second session should be held in which performance is formally reassessed. Explicit delineate expectations and support is offered. Perks has a fairness conduct policy, which means all positions adhere to the same procedure. This guarantees uniformity, provides a basis of equity, and free of any prejudice at all stages. Execute a formal incapacity hearing. Should performance remain inadequate, convene a formal hearing. Notify respective employee 48 hours prior to engagement. Permit representation. Consider their response. Remote readiness. Hearings may be held through Microsoft Teams. Ensure impartiality. Confidentiality is preserved at all times. Investigate options other than termination. The following can be considered: reallocation to different role, reduction of current ranking, additional assistance or instruction. At Perks, managers may reallocate personnel or propose a demotion if appropriate, enabling employees to restore confidence and enhance performance. Render the conclusive choice and convey it. If warranted, execute dismissal in accordance with the prescribed procedures and attempts to assist the employee. Articulate the result, citing the assistance rendered. Thank you for watching.